Okay, today is Sunday, February the 11th, 2024. We are out at our bamboo removal job down in Princeton. We have completed the job for the time being. This is phase one of the job. Taking out a little over a half acre of bamboo, roots included. Come over here where we first started out. This is the area that was in the part one video. You can see the house in the back is where the last time we couldn't see through this area because the bamboo basically came out to approximately where the generator is right now, which is about a good 30 feet in width right here. Some of the other areas we went back a little bit further because we had some other types of trees and stuff that had to be removed that had died from the bamboo choking them out. So went along the edge here. It got quite a bit wider over where this little pavilion is. The bamboo was kind of up into here. And then went back into the big clearing. It kind of wrapped around and out into the center there quite a bit. Some of the areas were about 50 feet wide as to where we cleared. This is a native red maple. There's another one right here. Originally, we were going to go between the two trees and stop, but decided to cut behind this tree here because we're going to be installing a polyethylene barrier. It's a special type of barrier that supposedly works to prevent the spread of the bamboo roots. And I think it's about a quarter-inch thick, and it's about, I think they go anywhere between 18 and 30 inches in width. So that depends on the size of the roots of the bamboo. Some of these plants, when we excavated the root systems, they went down about 30 inches in the ground in a couple of areas, depending on the size. There was some of the larger plant material was very, very thick and very deep in the ground. So as you can see from where we're going down here, this big area to the back opened up quite a bit. To the right here, I'm going to walk up a little bit closer. There's a couple of dead trees laying on the ground. There was about a 36-inch diameter red maple that had basically succumbed to the bamboo choking it to death. And we took out 7 trees that all died from the bamboo basically choking the life out of these trees. There's quite a few more live trees in here right now, but we would be getting close to the property line, and I know that the customer wanted to maintain a little bit of a buffer here. The idea behind this whole reason we cleared this is because they're going to be putting a fence around the yard for the animals that they have, the dogs and such. And we're going to come back after the fence guy is done, but before, actually going to come back before the fence is installed and put in the barrier for the bamboo. And then once the fence is installed, we're going to have to wait till the weather breaks in the spring. I have to come in here and we're going to bring some more dirt in, raise this area up. There's a big low spot in the center here, and unfortunately, the way this property is situated, there's no place to drain the water. So the driveway is higher, the left side is higher, the house is higher, the rear is higher. So what we're going to probably do is just raise it up high enough and then kind of push the water towards the back of the property and let it just disperse. Once the grass is growing in, it'll dry everything up. So anyway, this is about the end of it. This job was a lot more than we really had anticipated. It was a time and material job, the way I priced it. So basically, I was just working by the hour. I was here quite a few days. We had a lot of days where we got rained out. Didn't work at all. Machine was, we started this job on January the 4th, which was a Thursday. And here we are on a Sunday, February the 11th, and we're finally done. There's several trees that had fallen down in here. Some of these are cherry trees and some are sassafras. There's a couple of ash trees way in the thicket. These are all a direct result of what the bamboo does to trees. It basically chokes them. They lose their light, and the trees breathe through the root system. They give off, and they need light from the leaves. So when the leaves can't produce any photosynthesis for the tree itself, it's going to die. And anyway, we did this here to give these people somewhat of a yard. They're a young couple, and a couple of new kids that are here now. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to coming back here. I'm going to guess somewhere around, if we have an early spring, hopefully sometime in the middle of April, to regrade everything and get this thing seeded and put some straw down, and that way they can have themselves a nice yard. But anyway, that's the end of it. That's it. Give me some comments, like it, subscribe if you would, and we'll see you on the next one.